Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, how's guys going, life going? So, as you know, today we are going to do podcast with our two speaker. First one we have Irja Janator Ryan, which will be our first speaker, and Hanif Zahwanofal will be our second speaker. So, um, today's podcast is going to talk about the way of learning English. So we are going to ask them like how are like what are their ways to learn English. So without further ado, let's call our first speaker, Erja Janata Ryan. You may come.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, maybe I should ask my first question. When was the first time you started speaking English?
I started from yeah first in my home. I never learned course English, English in my home. So it's like I trying that still basic is memorizing vocabularies and yeah a little bit what's name grammar like that.
Oh, so that's like your first time learning English, right? And after that, when was the time when you are getting like more advanced and like getting faster on learning English?
No, because at the time I just in my home and I'm little bit lazy to do it. So I just
Learning a bit, yeah.
yeah a bit and I continues by as to my sister, as to my mom and my teacher in my school, and then I become more expert at IDN. IDN is order us to do speak English every day, every time, except yeah Saturday and Sunday is a free time for me to speak bahasa or Indonesia. Yeah, I think I still learn at this time.
Okay, that's really like so. In the end is really giving you like a lot of jump on your English skill.
Yeah.
Which you learn a lot of stuff from IDN. Then can you give us like tips and trick like how to learn English faster than normal?
Okay, that if in English you have two options. First, you be expert or just can be normal English just for speaking, meet with others like that, with with strangers, and yeah, I just the second option. So the if you just be expert, I think you can take courses like IELTS or another certification like that. That's needed for um, you you join registering in others countries university. But I I still I still think until now, yeah, I still confused. What will I choose? I just basic English or I think yeah be expert English because it's better and
Learn outside.
yeah.
Maybe yeah, that's enough for our first speaker. Thank you so much, Irja. So yeah, we leave
Thank
now.
you.
Okay, so now I want to call our second speaker, which is Hanif Zahonoval. You may come to the stage. So how are you, Hanif?
Yeah, I'm feeling better.
Okay, so the same question as before. When was the first time you speak English?
When I first time speak English, yeah, before I just come to course at my home, yeah, maybe it only give me some lesson that maybe vocabulary or summarizing. Yeah, yeah. I
Oh,
have been how many years? It's only 1 year. You know, when I was I mean sixth grade at my under school. At my school, there's no English lesson there. Yeah, so I have to learn in other course. Yeah.
it's kind of hard, which like your environment doesn't really speak English, but you have to learn English for your
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
And now, when was like the time you become more advanced on English?
When I'm get advanced more at English, as it in IDN, I get more advanced because every day we like to speak more English every day at from Monday until Friday, right? Yeah, until Friday. From there, I'll get more advanced at English.
Yeah, so
I know how to speak everything.
yeah, okay. So like you from IDN you can like learn more ways with English. Like is IDN teacher really good?
Yeah.
Really good.
Very good.
Okay, so like Hanif is really good because the environment is like everyone is speaking English, right? So like he forced to speak English and he liked it, and everyone speak English as well. So he become better on English. And now my last question:
So I
do
said,
you have any tips and tricks on how to learn English easier?
tips is maybe you need to more some memorizing some vocabulary or yeah speaking French get your more advanced English.
So to memorize more and like
Speaking
speaking.
yeah trying to
Oh,
yeah
okay, that's actually really interesting. So yeah, is that enough
yeah
for today's podcast? So maybe that's enough for our podcast
yeah
for today. So yeah, thank you so much Hanif, and thank you so much for Irja who have come here before. So maybe that's all from us. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.